Hello, today I'm sharing with you the making of two cakes I made for my daughter's 11th birthday, a chocolate cake for home and a Victoria sponge cake for her classmates. To make one basic 3-tiered sponge cake you will need 300 grams of self-raising flour, 300 grams of granulated sugar, 300 grams of softened butter and 6 medium eggs. First of all, I made the mixture for the chocolate cake as I only had 3 cake tins. Add all the ingredients into a bowl and mix thoroughly. Evenly distribute the mixture between 3 lined 8-inch cake tins, then bake for around 20 minutes in an 180°C preheated oven until a toothpick comes out clean. Then make the second cake, which is basically the same as the first, just without chocolate, so I didn't bother recording that one. To make enough buttercream for 2 cakes, you will need 1.5 kilograms of icing sugar, 750 grams of softened unsalted butter, and food colouring paste. Mix the butter until fluffy. Add the icing sugar, then mix until smooth and creamy. If making coloured buttercream, half the mixture, or however much you want to colour, into a separate mixing bowl, then slowly add a bit of colour at a time until you have the desired shade. As always, I use concentrated food colouring paste, which always gives a lovely colour. Next, assemble the cakes. I used strawberry jam to sandwich the cakes together, but you can use frosting, marmalade, Nutella, whatever you like. To crumb coat the cake, pipe between the cake layers, then spread around a thin layer of buttercream to lock in all the crumbs, then put in the fridge to harden for 15 minutes. At this point you may be thinking about skipping the crumb coating stage to save a bit of time. Trust me, you want to crumb coat, especially for an occasion cake such as this. It gives you a much better finish to a cake without all those little crumbs ruining the look of an otherwise pretty cake. Once the crumb coat is set, you can finally finish your cake. I normally love piping over the whole cake, but it's my daughter's cake and she asked me not to use too much buttercream, so I simply used a spatula to spread it all over. Then, using a toothpick, I gently draw on my designs. This is a good idea because you can easily spread over it if it goes wrong and redo it instead of piping blind. Pipe or decorate your cake or cakes as you like, then you are done. As you can see, making 2 cakes isn't that much more work than one, and was actually a lot of fun. I made these the day before I needed them, so simply waited until the buttercream was firm, then gently covered the cakes loosely with cling film. Thanks for watching.